Welcome to Allison Neighborhood, South Bozeman's newest neighborhood, featuring 40 different lots with 6 unique floor plans. Thoughtfully designed for locals, families, and those who want to live close to it all. Just minutes from downtown Bozeman, Allison Neighborhood is perfectly positioned near everything that makes this area special. Enjoy quick access to Montana State University, Morningstar Elementary, Sacagawea Middle School, and Bobcat Stadium, all interconnected to the nearby community via the Galligator Trail. Explore scenic hikes at Triple Tree, paddleboard Highlight, and ski at Bridger Bowl or Big Sky, all within a short drive. Here, lifestyle comes naturally. From skiing and hiking, biking and fishing, outdoor adventure starts at your doorstep. Take a stroll through downtown, grab coffee with friends, or head to the farmer's market on the weekend. This is a place where community thrives, where work, play, and home are all within reach. Choose from a range of well-designed 3 to 4 bedroom single-family homes, each featuring a garage and private outdoor space. Select floor plans also include additional features such as lofts, bonus rooms, or home offices to suit your lifestyle needs. Allison Neighborhood, new homes rooted in South Bozeman. Reach out to Outlaw Realty today to learn more or schedule your private tour.